Welcome to the world of MaterialNet, a transformative inventory system designed for the material procurement departments within the manufacturing industry. Imagine a streamlined process where raw materials flow seamlessly from the warehouse to the workshop, ensuring every part, accessory, and trim is accounted for. This is the promise of MaterialNet. At its core, MaterialNet serves as a robust material inventory software. It's meticulously crafted to handle the complexities of raw material distribution, tracking every aspect from purchasing to inventory, consumption, and cost analysis. With MaterialNet, manufacturers gain a comprehensive view of their material flow, ensuring they are always one step ahead in their production processes. Let's delve into the remarkable benefits MaterialNet offers. It integrates BOM modules that not only enhance production efficiency, but also support just-in-time manufacturing by managing parts and raw material leftovers effectively. The system's expiry date alerts are a game changer, preventing waste and ensuring time-sensitive materials are utilized optimally. Moreover, MaterialNet's reorder modules provide real-time updates on leftover and pending quantities, accelerating the reorder process and minimizing downtime. With advanced cost analysis features, manufacturers can scrutinize BOM costs, purchases, and inventory data to significantly boost their operating profit margins. As you explore MaterialNet's capabilities, visualize its intuitive dashboard, a simple yet powerful tool for material control. The Bill of Materials feature offers detailed insights for each end product, while the Item Master keeps a meticulous record of all parts purchased. In conclusion, MaterialNet stands as a beacon of efficiency and cost management in the manufacturing sector. It resolves the age-old challenge of inefficient material procurement by providing a comprehensive solution that enhances productivity and profitability. To discover how MaterialNet can revolutionize your material procurement processes, we invite you to learn more today. Embrace the future of manufacturing with MaterialNet.